So as you can see, the current battery percentage is around 55% range. It's showing around 110. And if you see the time over here, it's almost 1 o'clock. And the odometer reading is 4698. So yeah, we're gonna put it on charge and let's see how much time does it take to get it to 100%, and let's find that out. In the beginning of the video, we showed you that the Comet had around 55% of charge and we put it to charge at around 1 o'clock. Right now you can see the time, it's almost 4 o'clock, so it's been around 3 hours. And now let us check that how much charge the Comet has or how much it has charged. And this is charging via this static charger that is in our society. So one very good thing is that this adapter locks in place and no one can actually take it out, because once you lock the car, this adapter is locked. To get this adapter out, you just have to unlock the car and the adapter will be free. So now let's go inside and let us check the charge percent. So as you can see over here, again the odometer reading 4698, charge is around 97%. At 194 is the range, and as you can see over here, the time is 3:56. So apparently it took almost 3 hours. So if we give it around another 5 to 10 minutes, this will charge completely. So just a perspective that the Comet actually charges from the factory charger that you get. That's a 3.3 kilowatt hour charger, and yeah, so that is a pretty decent amount of charging time. So a full charge will almost take you around 6 to 7 hours if you drain the battery completely. But I mean, nobody drains the battery completely. So this was just a perspective of around 45% of charge in less than 3 hours. So if you give it another 5 to 10 minutes, this will go up. So yeah, that's the charging time of the Comet. So if we talk about the other charging facility now over here, the charger that we have, the static charger, that also has this fast charging. That's a 7.2 kilowatt charger. We are charging it from this, as I told you, from the 3.3 kilowatt hour charger that comes with the car. But if you charge it with this, obviously MG has updated the Comet over here for fast charging, and now you can charge this car, I mean, from a 0 to 100% with that fast charger. Can charge up to, like, say around 3 to 4 hours, and that is really good time. But nonetheless, you can even charge it with this, and this takes around 6 to 7 hours, which I feel is a safe option. So that's why I charge it with this, and that is your MG Comet. Since this is top of the line variant, you can see over here, this gets this LED headlamp. It also gets the connected LED bars, and once the car is charging, you can see you have the MG logo that glows over here. So once you put it on charge, obviously this will glow. Over here you have blacked auto RVMs, and you have an electric badge over here. At the rear you get this connected tail light, and you get LED tail lights as well. Again, EV badging, Comet, and internet inside. So let us quickly show you what all do you get on the inside. So yeah, that is how the interiors look like. 2 screens over here. In the base variant you get 1 screen, but that's again a smaller screen. So you have 2 cup holders, where right now there is a air freshener placed. Those are your controls for your TPMS, your light adjustment, and your ORVM adjustments. That is your gear selector right over there. Power window switches over here, and that is how the seat looks like. Obviously I have put that because the windows are too big and too much sunlight comes inside. So yeah, some shades over there, and that is your rear space. So again, 4 people of my height, for reference I can tell you I am 6'1". 4 people of my height can easily sit over here and travel, and obviously you can see you get steering mounted controls as well. So that is how the interiors of the Comet look like. And if you ask about pricing, well, obviously at around 9 lakh rupees, there's the ex-showroom price. You get the top of the line variant. Looks pretty good, looks pretty nice, and plus obviously MG has now updated the Comet with the fast charging facility. So obviously you can use the fast charger that is present in your nearby charging or wherever you're going to charge the car. So yeah guys, once again let me tell you the charging time. So the charger that is connected right now is the stock charger, the 3.3 kilowatt hour charger. That will take around 6 to 7 hours to charge the car completely from 0 to 100. And now since it's updated, that charger that you see over there is the 7.2 kilowatt hour charger, and that will take around 3 to 4 hours to charge the car completely. So MG has just updated it, and now you have fast charging on the Comet as well. So yeah guys, that was a short video about the charging facilities that you get and how quickly your car can charge. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to our social media channels. I'm Promit signing out. See you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, be safe and drive safe.